Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and affirming space for you to heal out loud. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself and for tuning in. This week we're doing a yoga nidra for lucid dreaming. Now you're probably wondering what yoga nidra is. It's a yoga practice where you get into a deep, relaxed state, almost in a dream state, but you're still aware and conscious of the body. So to do this, we're gonna do a body scan in Shavasana on our back, and we're gonna scan the body from the bottom of the feet to the top of the head and move our way back down to the bottoms of the feet. I'm gonna finish off this nidra with a sound bowl while y'all are still in Shavasana. And yes, I really hope you all like this flow. You can do it at any time of day. And yeah, let's get into the flow. We're gonna start this nidra by lying on our backs. Just getting in a comfortable space, setting intention in the space, maybe putting a pillow or blanket underneath the back or the neck, or you can just lie, separating the feet, loosening the hands, pointing them towards the sky, creating a flat, comfortable spine, closing the eyes and taking deep inhales and exhales in and out of the nose, taking your time. Becoming aware of the vital energy moving throughout the body. With each inhale, bringing in all the energy that you deserve. As you exhale, let go of everything that does not belong to you. Now we're going to start with the body scan. Continue to relax and just explore these spaces of the body, bringing your attention to these spaces. Becoming aware of the bottom of the right foot. Becoming aware of the right toes. Becoming aware of the right ankle. Becoming aware of the shins. Becoming aware of the right knee. Becoming aware of the right thigh. Becoming aware of the right hip. Becoming aware of the left hip. Becoming aware of the left thigh. Becoming aware of the left knee. Becoming aware of the left ankle. Becoming aware of the left toes. Becoming aware of the bottom of the left foot. Becoming aware of the bottom of both feet. Becoming aware of all your toes. becoming aware of both ankles. Becoming aware of both shins. Becoming aware of both knees. Becoming aware of both thighs. Becoming aware of both hips. Becoming aware of the right side of the torso. Becoming aware of the right chest. Becoming aware of the right shoulder. Becoming aware of the right elbow. Becoming aware of the right wrist. Becoming aware of the palm of your right hand. Becoming aware of your right fingers. Becoming aware of the right palm of your hand. Becoming aware of the wrist. Becoming aware of the right elbow. Becoming aware of the right shoulder. Becoming aware of the center of the chest. Becoming aware of the left shoulder. Becoming aware of the left elbow. Becoming aware of the left wrist. Becoming aware of the palm of your left hand. Becoming aware of your left fingers. Becoming aware of the palm of your left hand. Becoming aware of the left elbow. Becoming aware of the left shoulder. Becoming aware of the center of the chest. Becoming aware of the throat space. Becoming aware of the lips. Becoming aware of the right ear. Becoming aware of the right eye. Becoming aware of the nose. Becoming aware of the third eye. Becoming aware of the left eye. Becoming aware of the left ear. top of the head. Becoming aware of the eyes. Becoming aware of both ears. Becoming aware of the nose. Becoming aware of the lips. Becoming aware of the throat space. Becoming aware of both the shoulders. Becoming aware of both elbows. Becoming aware of both wrists. Becoming aware of the palms. Becoming aware of the fingertips. Becoming aware of both palms. Becoming aware of the elbows. Becoming aware of both shoulders. Becoming aware of the center of the chest. Becoming aware of the center of the stomach. Becoming aware of the hips. Becoming aware of the thighs. Becoming aware of the knees. Becoming aware of the shins. Becoming aware of the ankles. Becoming aware of the toes. Becoming aware of the bottoms of the feet. Continuing to take deep, intentional inhales and exhales. Notice all of the sensations that's moving and flowing through your body. Allow yourself to explore. Allow yourself to acknowledge. And allow yourself to be. Continue taking deep inhales and exhales, making each breath intentional and for you. Staying here and just breathing in Shavasana. Taking deep inhales and exhales, intentional inhales and exhales. Finding peace within the breath, finding peace within the body, finding peace within the mind, Finding peace within the spirit. Allowing yourself to be all that you want to be in this moment. Allowing yourself to feel all that you need to feel in this moment. Allowing yourself to be authentic in this moment. Allowing yourself to be connected in this moment. Reconnecting with the body, maybe wiggling the toes, wiggling the fingers, finding movement in the spaces of stillness. You can stay here in Shavasana for as long as you need to. I'll suggest another video if you would like to continue this meditation, continue this flow. If you're ready, coming into a nice, comfortable, easy seat, allowing the shoulders to sit on top of the hips, aligning the spine, extending the crown upward. You can even rotate out the neck. Maybe even moving the shoulders a bit. And when you're ready, placing the hands to the heart center, or you can place them on the knees, wherever you feel comfortable. Taking a few deep inhales and exhales in and out of the nose. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself and becoming a part of this space and finding your flow, finding your practice. Thank you for allowing me to shine my light and to be here with you all, sharing this medicine. And until next time, namaste.